Hello, I'm Bukola Joseph, the physics enthusiast. So we are going to be solving a problem on indices mathematics, okay? So stay with me as we tackle this problem together. Let me read the question and then we'll solve the problem together. Okay, so we have if 2 raised to power 1 minus y times 2 raised to power y minus 1 all over 2 raised to power y plus 2 is equal to 8 raised to power 2 minus 3y. So when you have this kind of problem in front of you, the first thing you should do is to convert everything you have there to the same base. So you can say this is 8 and then we have the rest of them in base 2. So we have to convert everything we have on the board to base 2. Okay, now let's do this. So we have solution. Okay, always copy the question first before you start solving. So we have 2. That's the first step you do in mathematics. You copy the question first. So we have 2 raised to power 1 minus y times 2 raised to power y minus 1 all over 2 raised to power y plus 2 is equal to 8 raised to power 2 minus 3y. We are asked to find y. So we are going to convert this to base 2. You can see it's the only one that is not in base 2. So we are going to convert this to base 2. To do this, we do this. Okay, we want to convert it to base 2. 2 into 8, how many times? 4 times. 2 into 4, how many times? 2 times. 2 into 2, how many times? 1 time. So we have this, okay? So it means we have 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8, okay? So it means we have to convert 8 to base 2. It means it's going to be equal to 2 raised to power 3. Okay, 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. So now we have this understanding. So it means that our next step is going to be this 2 raised to power 1 minus y times 2 raised to power y minus 1 all over 2 raised to power y plus 2 is equal to 2 raised to power 3. Remember we have this, so we can put the bracket now. 2 minus what? 3y. Okay, now using the indices rule, multiplication will become positive for the powers and division becomes minus for the power. Okay? Okay? Are you with me? Sorry about that. So if we do this now, we have 2 raised to power 1 minus y. This becomes positive plus what? Y minus 1. Then this becomes what? Minus. So we have minus y plus 2 is equal to 2 raised to power 3, 2 minus 3y. Okay? So now we're going to sum the powers together now. So we have 2 1 minus y plus y minus 1. This is minus. So we have, if we open the bracket, this becomes minus y. Take note of this minus. Take note of this minus. So if we open this bracket, this becomes minus 2. So is equal to 2. 3 times 2 will give us what? 6. 3 times minus 3y. Remember, it's a minus. So we have minus 9y. Okay? This we cancel this. Alright? It will go. And then we're left with this. We have left with 1 minus y plus y minus 1 minus y minus 2 is equal to 6 minus what? 9y. So let's collect like terms together. So let's collect like terms. This will go with this. Minus y plus y will go, right? And then we're left with this. So we have 1 minus 1 will also go with this, right? Plus minus it will go. And then we'll be left with this minus y minus 2 on this side. Then we have 6 minus 9y on this side. So let's collect like terms. If we bring this to this side, it becomes minus y plus 9y is equal to 6. If you bring this minus to this side, it becomes plus 2, right? So this is minus, this is plus. No, this is greater than this. So we are going to maintain a positive sign. Then you can even swap it. 9y minus y. Yeah. 9y minus y is equal to simply 8y is equal to what? 6 plus 2 is what? 8. So to find y, we'll divide both sides by 8. We'll divide this side by 8. 8 will cancel 8, and then we're left with y. 8 into 8 is equal to what? 1. So it means, so therefore, our y is equal to what? 1. And this is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed today's problem solving. I'm still Bukola Joseph, the physics enthusiast. Please like, comment. If you have any question regarding to this problem solving, please put your question in the comment section and I'll be quick to answer your question. I'm still Bukola Joseph, the physics enthusiast. Bye.